I hope you're all having a brilliant day so far. It's Maria here, and today I am back with 4 recipes that are ideal for breakfast but taste like dessert. So dessert for breakfast recipes. If you like meal, snack and dessert ideas that are quick, simple and made with healthy ingredients, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I come back with new ideas every single week and you may want to be the first to find out whenever I am back with a new recipe. I am not going to talk for much longer. Let's just jump ahead into recipe number 1, which is going to be a chocolate avocado mousse, which is so creamy and very smooth, and no one could ever guess that this is actually made out of avocado. So you want to start by just preparing a couple of perfectly ripe avocados. Then transfer those to a blender and also add vanilla extract, maple syrup, raw cacao powder, yogurt of your choice, and smooth peanut butter. I actually use PB2, which is the powdered version, and then just blend that until very smooth. Ideally, you want to leave it in the fridge for around an hour before serving, and then you can just go ahead and add toppings of your choice. I added some whipped cream and also some grated dark chocolate, and it's the perfect chocolatey way to get the morning started and also get in some of those healthy fats, because don't we all just love avocado? Recipe number 2 is going to be a single serving double chocolate cake, which is made with just a handful of ingredients, and it's so delicious and it's once again perfectly chocolatey and probably one of my favorite ways to start the morning. So for this, you want to start by whisking together an egg, milk of your choice, and sweetener of your choice. I just used stevia, and yep, so go ahead and whisk that together. Then proceed to add almond flour, cacao powder and baking powder, and once again whisk it together, and then just go ahead and fold in a bunch of chocolate chips, and honestly the more the better. Then you want to get an oven-safe ramekin and add in around 3/4 of the batter. And then go ahead and add around 2 tablespoons of cream cheese in the center, which is going to make the most amazing filling. And I actually like to add a couple more chocolate chips on top before I put it in the oven. And you want to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, for around 25 minutes. And as you can see, it results in a mousse incredible consistency, and the cream cheese just makes the most exceptional finishing touch. Okay, recipe number 3 is banana blueberry pancakes. These are so fluffy and once again are made with really simple ingredients that you most likely have in the fridge already, and I am sure that you will love these as much as I do, especially if you're a fan of super fluffy and easy to make pancakes. You want to start by adding oat flour, all-purpose gluten-free flour, baking powder, vanilla extract, maple syrup, a whole egg and an egg white, and just go ahead and blend this in a blender or a food processor until very smooth. You want to just add some cooking spray or olive oil to a frying pan and use around 2 tablespoons of the batter per pancake, and Then go ahead and add a couple of blueberries to each pancake once you've added the batter to the pan. Then you just want to wait for them to cook for a couple of minutes, and once they're crispy around the edges and a couple of bubbles start to form on the surface, go ahead and flip them and cook them for around 30 seconds more. And then after that, you can simply transfer them to a plate, and I would recommend serving as quickly as possible with basically any toppings of your choice. As you can see, they're perfect with extra blueberries and a drizzle of peanut butter, and sometimes I also love to add some whipped cream, which makes just the most exceptionally decadent breakfast. And you know, as I said, you just can't ever go wrong with fluffy pancakes. Last but not least, we have another mousse recipe. This one is a tahini mousse, and much like the first recipe, which involved avocados, this one also has a secret ingredient, and it is exceptionally delicious. Here, the secret ingredient is silken tofu, which you want to add to a blender or food processor, followed by maple syrup, some milk of your choice, vanilla extract, and tahini. And then you just want to close the lid and blend until super smooth, and I would recommend leaving this one in the fridge for around 30 minutes to an hour just to give it a chance to firm up, and then you can go ahead and serve with toppings of your choice. To this one I added some granola and fresh strawberries and also some Greek yogurt, and it was so delicious. The silken tofu is another amazing secret ingredient which creates an exceptionally smooth and silky texture, which is perfect for dessert and breakfast recipes.